What's up, everybody? It's Vince for the hashtag Very Cool Guys, and today on the channel, we're going to be talking SKILSAW. If this is your first time here, you might not know that we are big fans of the SKILSAW circular saw offerings. When we say the name SKILSAW, everyone immediately thinks worm drive. And I do love, it probably is my favorite offering from Skill presently. I love their worm drive saw. This Mag 77 is a great combination of 15 amp power, and it is, because of the magnesium on this saw, lighter than the standard worm drive. They also have a great sidewinder offering, very compact, much lighter than the worm drive. I actually have both saws. Depends on what I'm doing. If I'm cutting stair skirts, I'll need both of these saws to make the cuts. And this here in the middle is probably the oldest circular saw that I own. I got this circular saw, I probably was 12 or 13 years old. This is a SKILSAW. This is an older, much older model, made in America. But I gotta tell you, it runs just as well today as it did the day that I bought it. But why I'm so excited today is we're not gonna be talking Skill circular saws. What I'm super excited about today is that SKILSAW has shipped us their newest reciprocating saw offering. It's 15 amps, it's got the buzzkill technology. I'm super excited to get this thing open, so let's get to it. I'm like a kid on Christmas right now. SKILSAW was nice enough to ship this out so we could take a look. I want to rip this thing open, but I don't want anything to happen to my beautiful Skill circular saws. Let's get them out of the way. So this is the SPT 44-10 from SKILSAW. I gotta tell you, let's just take a minute and read some of the literature that's adorned on the box before we rip it open. Legendary SKILSAW durability in a Recip. And a Recip, that's what it says. The only tools in your arsenal that stay true with legendary performance and character. True to the trade since 1924. And then they have their stay true guarantee, 180-day money back guarantee, and 1-year limited warranty. Cut for 180 days. If you're not satisfied, we'll give you your money back. We call it our stay true guarantee. Quite frankly, SKILSAW's so confident you're gonna love this saw that if you buy it, you can use it for 180 days to make your mind up. And if you don't like it, you can return it, get your money back. Pretty awesome. It's like a loaner. It would be like a loaner. So let's take a look at the back of the box. So it has a tough 15 amp motor. I gotta tell you, I love the way the motor cap is. Oh, is that what you call it? The motor cap? I don't know. Cover? But it just reminds me, this housing reminds me of my worm drive. They built that into this saw. The nostalgia of the SKILSAW. I think it's handsome. I don't even have it open yet, just from looking at the box. It's got patented buzzkill technology. We'll talk about that a little bit further. Constant response electronics. It's designed for demolition. We talked about the guarantee. Let's take a look at some of the specifications. It is a 15 amp motor, we talked about it. The spins per minute are 0 to 2,900. The tool length is 21.7 inches in total length. The cord length, which is pretty awesome. They've included an 8-foot cord with this tool. So you might not even need an extension cord. With a 15 amp motor though, make sure you're using the appropriate extension cord because this beast of a reciprocating saw, it's gonna pull some power. The tool weight is 11.3 pounds. And the stroke length is 1¼ inches. You know, it's pretty funny, but It's not listed on the box, but we can see it in the picture that this saw does have orbital action. It's not listed here on the box, and it's not, I didn't really read it anywhere. You know, when this saw came to us, I said, I didn't know. I'm like, does it have orbital? And I'm not seeing it in the specifications. I was kind of let down. But then when I took a closer look at the picture, boom, there's your orbital. So it does include orbital. What do you think? Should we get it open?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let us know in the comment section below if you think we should get it open. We'll see you on the next video. So I'm only kidding, we're gonna get it open. In case you guys are interested, this has some heavy duty tape holding the box on. We're gonna use the Yojimbo 2 today. Whoa, from Spyderco. Wow, I gotta tell you, yo, we're gonna go over the case because quite frankly, the case itself is like unbelievably handsome. Kind of like me. So, we get our box off.
Whoa.
This is a nice case, right? Yo, look at this. SKILSAW really paid a lot of attention to their case. Number one, the saw's coming with a hard case. Pretty cool. It's got this, it's the embossed emblem here. It's molded in to the box. Pretty nice, okay? Here you go, look at this. Even the latches have SKILSAW embossed on them. There's no doubt about it. Oh, go grab my SKILSAW Recip saw. Oh, which box is it in? Stay true. There's no denying which box your SPT 4410 is going to be in. Clearly marked and labeled. It's nice. This tag help you. It goes up on the shelf.
Go get the buzzkill.
Go get the buzzkill. Easily identifiable. Pretty cool. I'm liking it. It's on both sides as well.
Slide it in any direction.
Yeah. Pretty cool. You know, listen, when you got a trailer or a truck or a shop full of tools, stuff like that makes you more effective. It makes your work easier, you know? You have an apprentice just starting to learn, yo, go get the SKILSAW Recip saw. Boom. So, should we take a look?
Let's take a look. That's where you put your lock, right?
This is where you would put your lock if you had a lock. Well, be very careful. Use extreme caution. I am a trained professional. Do not do what I just did. You could be injured or killed. I don't even want to open it. The suspense is like so enjoyable. Psych. You ready? Ta-da! Woo! That's a nice case. I gotta tell you. We have our literature. Make sure you read all of your instructions thoroughly, cover to cover. To take full advantage of your guarantee, register your tool. So make sure you're registering your tool. You're gonna call SKILSAW, or you're gonna visit www.skilsaw.com to register your tool. They have a nice little slot in here to keep your printed materials. They have a little section for blades. So it's cold out there. I like that there's an area for printed materials to keep your warranty and your instructions if you ever needed to refer back to it. Clearly called out in the manual, the blade orbit selector. And I think that, unless I missed it somewhere, I think that it should be called out on the box a little bit better. I think that orbital action People are looking for that, especially today. You know, a lot of emphasis has been put on that orbital action. And yeah, you can see the selector here, but I think it needs to be somewhere in the specifications. I think that it would inform buyers that, yeah, it's 15 amps, and yeah, man, this thing is made to work. This thing is made to cut. And then once they get their hands on it, I'm sure they'll be convinced of that. But if someone is trying to make the purchase or thinking about making the purchase, they see that they're getting all this and the orbital action. It might push them over the edge, and I think they would lean towards skill. Maintenance, preventative maintenance performed by authorized personnel. Unauthorized personnel may result in misplacing of internal wires and components, which could cause serious hazard. Tool lubrication. Your SKILSAW has been properly lubricated and is ready to use. It is recommended that tools with gears be greased with special gear lubricant at every brush change. Carbon brushes, the brushes and commutator in your tool have been engineered for many hours of dependable service. To maintain peak efficiency of the motor, we recommend every 2 to 6 months the brushes be examined. Only genuine SKILSAW replacement brushes specifically designed for your tool should be used. So it does have replaceable brushes. Bearings which become noisy due to heavy load or very abrasive material cutting should be replaced at once to avoid overheating and motor failure. So you're able to replace the brushes. I wanted to see if we were going to be able to continue to maintenance our SKILSAWs even with this new offering. And it seems that you are. This thing is, look at how thoughtful the case is. You know, you put your SKILSAW this direction here. You're able to put some blades there. I will say this. There's only one, and I guess it won't matter. I was going to say, the only thing that would make this case better is if the blade case section here had a lid. This way the blades don't go flopping around and end up in different parts of the box, right?
Yes.
But it does have a lid. The lid is right here. It closes down, and then your blades are kept in that one little compartment. Pretty cool. So there is no way to make this box any better, in my opinion. Look at it. The one thing that I wasn't sure about, they addressed. Skill, you're good, you. So let's get it out of its plastic. Don't leave this around. Children could suffocate with this bag. Nick.
I might suffocate.
So, you can tell the speed control feels nice and positive. Here's your orbital action. Nice positive click. Boom. Changes that, you know, straight Recip saw into an orbital action. Pretty cool. Shervon of North America, Reciprocating SKILSAW, SPT44. This is different, right? Look, the shoe adjustment, push button.
That is nice.
Wow. So pretty easily adjustable shoe. So you push the button, release it. Has 3 positions. Pretty cool. This thing feels like it's ready for work. And this trigger guard handle area is nice and large. Okay, they're calling out that this saw is intended for demolition. So a lot of times you're gonna have a gloved hand operating the saw. So they thoughtfully made the handle area large so you could get your hand in there with gloves. You know, I don't have an extremely large hand. I do have a fat hand, okay? But I like it. This rubber overmold seems nice and protective. This way, if you're getting in there, into the walls, or in anywhere, you know, the rubber overmold here will take some abuse and not have the outer case damaged. We have an 8-foot long cord. This way, you know, depending on how close you are to your work, if there's an outlet close by, you know, 8 foot of cord, you might not need an extension cord. The other thing is that with a powerful corded tool like this, you never have to wonder yourself, hey, when I get onto the job, are my batteries charged? You plug it into the wall and go to work. So, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing we did of the new SKILSAW Reciprocating 15 amp SPT 44-10. We're so excited to put this thing through a battery of tests, but we're gonna save that for next time. You know, why plug this thing in right now and give you like the cold start? Psych, I'm kidding, we're gonna do it. You wanna know why? Because we have such a long cord, I don't even have to get an extension cord. I got an outlet right behind me. I mean, it only makes sense to plug it in and hear what it sounds like. Don't you think?
Yeah.
We have power. I'm gonna do a pull just on standard Recip.
Whoa.
Man, you could just see it. You could see the difference when you select from orbital to standard Recip back and forth. I gotta tell you. I gotta tell you, this thing is unbelievably smooth. I can't believe how smooth this saw is. I'm really excited to test this and SKILSAW's buzzkill technology, patented buzzkill technology. So, if you'd be so kind, YouTube and very cool gang, leave it down in the comment section below. How do you want us to test this new offering from SKILSAW? How do you want us to test that buzzkill technology? Do you want to see this make some cuts? What kind of cuts do you want it to make? Are we cutting through wood? Are we cutting through metal? Are we cutting a car in half? What is it you'd like to see? We're probably not going to cut the car in half though. It sounded good, but I don't think we're going to do that. But let us know down in the comments section below. If you like unboxings of brand new tools, things that aren't even on the market yet, you get a first look here. If you like that type of video, smash that like button. Also, if you like our content, like our channel, and like our style, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, you're gonna wanna crack that bell notification. Crack it like the Liberty Bell. You know, we are in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Crack it like the Liberty Bell and let freedom ring. You're gonna wanna make sure that bell notification is cracked because we upload videos daily. We go live daily, at least once a day, and we're constantly doing giveaways. So you want to make sure that you're getting notified what the very cool guys and the very cool gang are up to. Crack that bell notification. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Is it over? I know what you're thinking. The video can't be over yet. I mean, there's gotta be more, right, Vince? Well, there is more. We're gonna show you how you can win $500 worth of tools if you enter our contest by clicking the video over here. When you're done doing that, you can click the video down here for some more entertainment, or click the video up here. If you love our content, love our channel, and love our style, make sure you get subscribed over there. Everybody, have a great day.